Heights were something that always terrified me, but sometimes you just have to take the leap. I've always been a daredevil. I'm always just pursuing stuff that makes me happy and looking for the next adrenaline rush.
It's literally the same thing I eat every morning for breakfast. Compliments of the chef.
Growing up, I did a lot of mountain biking with my dad, and one thing he always taught me was if you don't fall, you're not trying hard enough, because failure is the only way to really learn. Consistently pushing myself out of my comfort zone has helped me in other aspects of my life, because it's made me realize, oh, it's good to be uncomfortable sometimes, and it's good to push through it and get to the other side. Longboarding is definitely my biggest passion. It's hard to describe the feeling you get when you're doing it because you're just so in the zone and in that state of flow, not thinking about the past or the future. You're just living completely in the present. Filmmaking has been something that's grown with my passion for downhill skateboarding. When I was about 12 years old, I started using my dad's old video camera, making YouTube videos. And everything just grew exponentially from there. Social media has definitely given me a lot in terms of audience and being able to connect with like-minded individuals all across the world. That's something that's so remarkable and so new to this generation. People are able to see where I started and how it's progressed. My goal in 5 years is to be doing travel filmmaking full-time. In addition to that, I want to have my own nonprofit to help people who don't have access to their basic necessities. What makes life good? Having people in your life that you love, something you're passionate about, and then experiencing all the diversity of places, of people, of ideas that life has to offer. At the end of the day, just knowing you did something out of your comfort zone is such a great feeling.